Hi, I'm back. This is Kay Ross. Now, I've had a lot of people asking me how come I've been putting up a lot of videos over the last little while, and I haven't had many before then. And you know what? The answer is really easy. The answer is I was waiting. I was waiting to lose weight. I was waiting to have a better hairstyle. I was waiting to get new clothes. I was waiting to move into a house and have somewhere to do videos. So lots of waiting. I was waiting to have the perfect thing to talk about. I was waiting for the perfect topic. And you know what? I realized that I could be waiting forever. And if I waited for everything to be perfect, I'd have absolutely no videos. So I've done them imperfectly. So I haven't lost the weight that I wanted to. I've let my hair go grey and I've got the clothes that I've got. Now I do have a great backdrop, so that makes a huge difference. So thanks, Emma. But for presentations, my big message is don't wait for perfection. Just get out there and do it and have fun. I've actually had a lot of fun over the last couple of months putting these videos up. I've got lots of great feedback, so thank you for those people who've made comments. And if you haven't made a comment and you like my videos, then please make some comments back for me. If you haven't done so and you haven't liked my videos yet, then please do so. There's a thumb underneath and that thumb is for you to click. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then I'd love you to. So, message for today is stop waiting. Just do it, play with it, practice and get those videos, get your presentations up and going. There's a masterclass down below where I talk a lot about getting slides ready. I've got lots of other tips and strategies and I look forward to giving you more over the last little while. So for the moment, have fun, forget perfection and just do it and be yourself. So thanks very much. As I said, Kay Ross from Kay Ross Biz, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.